Excuse me, where's the celebration?
Flower, I'm tired of this.
Wow, what do you mean?
I mean, I'm tired of your self-centeredness. I'm tired of the way you act around us. You know what that means? I'm tired of you.
Bubble!
Flower, your unpopularity is your own fault. Everyone hates you because we can't stand how you talk only about yourself.
Okay, if that's the way you want to be, fine. If you don't want me, I don't want you.
Wait, what? Oh, Flower, what are you doing?
Bubble, you should have seen this coming. Immediately. Flower,
so
stop immediately. I'm telling you, stop. Here goes that last and most important recovery center. I think my work here is done.
Don't you realize what you just did? All the damage you caused?
No, if anyone dies, they'll be gone forever.
And that's what I want. Bubble, you were nice to me sometimes, but not enough times. And to be honest, I'm not sad to see you go. Who's next?
Flower, calm down. Do you really want to do this?
Yes, of course I want to do this. That's why I...
A rose, a tulip, a weed, no, a flower. One of the simplest of your kind, and yet such a villainous attitude. You've always wanted revenge. That's all you ever wanted, isn't it?
Hey guys, OMG, I'm alive!
Yeah, but you killed someone else under your massive machine.
Oh my gosh, is it Pencil? It better not be Pencil.
It's Flower.
Well, that's good then.
They never cared about you, did they? But with my help, you'll finally get the respect you've always wanted. Finally, your new form. Now go out there and show those pests who you truly are.
Tennis ball, where's Woody?
He died.
Yeah, we did crash pretty hard.
No, he died long before he landed. His fear of the color gray gave him a heart attack.
We're glad you managed to recover the funds we've lost during this campaign.
It's proven unsuccessful, and now it's time to come home.
But what about...
It's okay. We can always return.
Hey, peoples. A meteorite just hit Rocky, so he can't barf anymore.
Wow, that's amazing.
Where's Leafy? I want to apologize for excluding her. She didn't deserve to be treated that way. Well, it turns out that Leafy's not such a nice person after all. Leafy was the one who butchered Tree Melon so that none of us could have it.
I think Leafy deserves the death penalty.
Yeah!
I found Flower's announcer crusher. I'm pretty sure it'll do the job.
Wow, good job, Pencil.
Any last words, Leafy?
Yeah,
You never ruined my life for the last time. Just killed me, and you're proud of it. And now, I'll return the favor over to you.
Flower, calm down. Do you really want to do...
So, do you have the funds that you promised?
Yes, here it is.
What is this?
It is the money.
No, it's just a paper slip with money written on it.
Oh my gosh, that selfish Leaf. She really bought the island for nothing.
What do we do, sir?
We must take action. Where is Leafy? You have to be kidding me. Oh, Flower. Flower, put that thing down. I need answers. Wait, Flower, stop. You are making a big mistake. Please stop.
Oh, it seems like announcer did not make it, and everyone else is dead. Come on, Spike, we gotta find the locker of losers.
Smaller cat equals less plastic. Plastic! Turn on the Z. I am a banana.